This is the website geheugen.delver.nl. The website Geheugen, Memory, is a database of images of many different Dutch collections, of which some do not have their own digital database, but are included here. Let's search for Batik. There isn't as much Batik on here as some of the other databases I show, but this one does include an interesting collection. Under Instellingen, you can see which institutes, museums and other organizations are included. The most interesting collection, according to me, that is featured in this database is that of Stichting Pieter Ventener van Vlissingen. This is the collection of Vlisco, a cotton printing company based in the city Helmond in the Netherlands, that made imitation batiks to ship to Southeast Asia and now wax prints for West Africa. Let's take a closer look at their collection. The collection online consists of all fabrics collected by the Vlisco archive. It is not complete and not up to date, but fascinating nevertheless. The collection has wax print, Java print, early imitations, kanga, chintz and batik, to name a few. On the left is a selection of types of objects. We have different options, but batik is not one of them, so let's go for sarongs. If we select this, we will get all sarongs, so including batiks, other textiles and imitations made by Vlisco. For example, this one. It is an imitation, so a Dutch printed copy of a batik. On the right you find some extra information, like the maker, in this case Vlisco, and the year it was made, 1912. Let's go back to our results. If we would just like to see batik, it is easier to first start with the search word batik and then select in collections Vlisco. We now get all objects from the Vlisco collections that have the word batik in their description. Let us take a closer look at one of them. On the left of your page you can zoom in and out. The quality of the photos is not very high and it only shows part of the batik. The Vlisco collection also has many smaller pieces, samples of textiles, so make sure to check the measurements. When we look at the information on the right, we see under afmetingen, measurements, that it is a full-size batik. Next to the information, there is also a download option. I think this is an important collection that is kept in the Netherlands. It is not easily accessible, but this limited database can still be a useful tool when researching colonial history, textile trade and batik. Happy scrolling!